Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TradingView for crypto charts with alerts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type tradingview.com and press enter. Wait for the TradingView homepage to load fully. Locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see options to log in using different methods. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the designated fields. Alternatively, you can use third-party platforms like Google or Facebook to log in. Select the method you prefer and follow the prompts. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Once logged in, explore the main dashboard. To access crypto charts, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name or symbol of the cryptocurrency you wish to analyze. Select the desired crypto from the drop-down list. You will be directed to the chart for that cryptocurrency. To set alerts, find the alert icon, which resembles a clock with a plus sign. Click on this alert icon to create a new alert. Fill out the necessary details, including the condition for the alert. You can choose options such as price levels or indicator movements. Set the frequency of the alerts based on your preference. After configuring the alert, click on the Create or Save button to activate it. Now you are ready to monitor your chosen cryptocurrencies with alerts.
Feel free to explore other features and tools on TradingView for a more comprehensive trading experience.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.